What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video to Frederica Nation. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the ring bell and the like button, okay? So you never miss an upload. But as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to melt this lace wig that I got, 613 color. I got it the other day. And I wanted to do a video to show you all how I put my lace wig on. So, which of course is a nude cap. And I've already got my cap on and my hair is already slicked back. Well, it's not slicked back, but it's up underneath there. And you're going to need some alcohol. You're going to need some type of foundation because you're going to need to put this on top of your cap. You're going to need some Got2b glue. And also some scissors, of course. And then you're going to need some hairspray. But you're going to need some Got2b hairspray, but if you don't have Got2b hairspray, you can use whatever kind of hairspray that you have, but I'm going to have to make it work because for some reason it's not spraying out, and I have to use the other hairspray that I have. So the purpose of the alcohol, let me tell you all, you're going to need to put some alcohol on. Okay, so I got a little tissue. Okay, so I want to just clean up the perimeter of my hairline to remove all the makeup that I have on my face from the hairline because that's where the glue will be. And so I just want to remove that so it can stick very well with nothing there in the way and without having to mess up my makeup. So just remove it. Or you can use alcohol pad or whatever. And this percentage of alcohol I'm using is 50%. So that's the only kind that I have. But you use whatever kind that you need to use. Okay. So I'm gonna flip this back just a little bit. Okay, because I'm gonna put a little bit Got2b glue right there. Just so it can hold this down because like I said, the Got2b glue hairspray is not working. It's stuck. So I'm going to use a different method. I got some Q-tips. I'm putting a little bit of this Got2b glue on the Q-tip. And I'm just going to go around my hairline right here, you all, because I want the cap to stick to my head because I'm about to melt this down. I'm about to melt this sucker down. You hear me? And so I don't want to use my fingers today because this stuff is very, very sticky. If you don't know nothing about Got2b glue, then you know what I'm talking about. If you know something about this Got2b glue, it's some sticky stuff. And I don't want it all on my fingers and stuff. I don't want to deal with it today. And I'm just kind of being lazy today. This is not like perfection, but this is going to work. And so what I'm going to do is take the cap, if I can pick it up. Okay, so I'm going to just move my hair back a little bit, and I'm going to take the cap, and I'm going to bring it down over my ear a little bit, and then I'm going to just press that because that's where I put the Got2b glue, as you can see it coming through. Okay, I'm going to do that. Press that through a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to use some of this hairspray, and I hope this hairspray works, but it is good. It holds pretty good, so I'm going to use that for my hairline. Then I'm going to go off camera, and I'm going to blow dry this so it can freeze with the Got2b glue. Because I need that to freeze down. I need that to hold down. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to cut that. So hopefully it'll work together. And so I'm going to do this part off camera. I am going to blow dry this so it can dry very well. And then I'll come back and show y'all how I melt my lace.
I am back and I believe it's dried enough for me to go ahead and continue. So what I'm going to do now is cut this.
So what I'm about to do right now is cut the lace. And excuse the scissors because they're so freaking dull. And I didn't know that until I start cutting. I should have looked at it and make sure they was good. But you're going to cut around the perimeter. Okay, and make sure that you get it really good. Make sure it is hard and frozen, dry it up before you start cutting because you don't want nothing to lift. And these scissors are just really getting on my nerves, for real. But yeah, you want to just continue to do that. And make sure that everything is everything. Get all of it off that you need to, as far as you know, getting it close to the hairline. And so yeah, just keep cutting until you get everything off. You want to make it look as natural as possible. So as you can see me, I'm just trying to really work with these dull scissors. These scissors are not sharp at all. It's just really getting on my nerves. So I'm gonna tuck that behind my ear, and I'm gonna try to make sure everything is everything while I'm fixing this hairline. And it's kind of difficult, so let me look in the mirror for a moment. So you want to just play around with that until you can get it done the way that it needs to be done. So put you some more Got To Be glue on. I mean, not Got To Be glue, sorry, but put you some foundation right there so you can blend it in as much as possible on top of the cap. Okay, so you want to continue to do that. So just lightly tap on it until it all blends in. And as you can see, this foundation is kind of blending in with my skin. So you want to find some foundation that is blending in with your skin. And then you just want to keep tapping and put it all over the top of your head. Okay, on top of that cap. And so you want to just work that in, girl. I'm telling you, just work it in. And I'm doing it right there because I'm going to have a middle part. And then also around the front. So now what I'm going to do is get the wig. I got the wig, and so now I got the wig. So what I'm about to do now is throw this sucker on, and we about to just see how it just works out. So I'm gonna put that on, and I'm gonna make sure I'm taking all the pins out right now because it wasn't on my mannequin head. So it has 4 combs, okay, and I'm showing you where the combs are at. I don't personally like the combs, so I will not be using the combs. I should have cut those out. And I'm throwing it on because I already got the band snapped together, okay. And so you want to just kind of resize it on your head as much as possible. And now you want to take the Got To Be glue and a Q-tip, because I don't want it on my fingers, and just go around the perimeter of your hairline. And as you can see, my cap slipped a little bit, but honey, it's okay because you ain't gonna be able to see it anyway. We're gonna make it work out some way somehow because I'm kind of like in a rush, but it's all good. And messing with those dull scissors, it kind of like messed it up for me, but it's okay because you can work it out. You can still make something happen. So you want to pull the lace to the front, to close to your hairline, and then you're gonna want to take a rat tail comb, but I don't know where mine is, so I'm gonna just use my fingers, and then I'm gonna blow dry it, and that's how I'm gonna do it.
All right, y'all, so this is the end results. What I did was use the dryer to dry it down and put a little bit of baby hair up there in the front. I'm about to put my earrings in, and honey, I am done for today. Something quick and simple. Probably be about a good week. And when you go to sleep, you always put a scarf on your hair, so you ain't got to keep putting it in and things like that. Taking it off, putting it back on. So you want this to last as long as you can. So I advise you to put a scarf on your hair. And this is the end results. This is how I melt my my lace wig. My lace wig down. Let me show you the back so you all can see the back. Okay. And if you like this video, if it was simple enough for you, thumbs up, subscribe, because I'm going to come back with some more videos like this. And if you like this makeup look and you want to know how I did this makeup look, drop down in the comment section below, and I will do it for you. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to Frederica Nation. Until then, see ya. Make sure you thumbs up on this if you like it.